Hi everyone, Ryan Oak here with Oak Mortgage, powered by Dominion Lending Centers, Producers West Financial. In today's video, I'd like to talk to you about down payments and how they relate to different home purchases. So right now in British Columbia, the minimum down payments that someone needs to have is 5% of the purchase price under $500,000. Once you get above $500,000, you'll need to put 10% down on that portion that is above the $500,000 mark, up to $1 million. And then once you get past $1 million, the minimum down payment required is 20%. Once you get above 1.5, it is lender dependent, but most lenders would like to see 50% of the portion above 1.5 million in down payment. So breaking that down for you, a $400,000 purchase price, you're gonna have a $20,000 minimum down payment. For an $800,000 purchase, $55,000 would be the minimum down payment, because that's 25 of 500,000, 5%, and then 30,000, which is 10% of the 300,000 over $500,000. If you were purchasing a property for 1.3 million, you'd be looking at a 20% down payment, which is $260,000. The sliding scale for purchase prices over 1.5 million, like I said, those are lender dependent. There is also another sliding scale for areas in British Columbia. So if it's a very remote area with a small population, some lenders might actually start that sliding scale at $1 million or less, where you need to put 50% down of the purchase price. So check with us if you're considering buying in remote areas, such as over on the island, Gabriola, Salt Spring, things like that. With pre-sales, the minimum down payment that you really need to make sure of is the total price inclusive of GST. So if you're only putting 5% down or 10% down, or you need to get to the 20% mark, you have to make sure that the price you're working off of includes the 5% GST. If you do have less than 20%, there is an insured portion to your mortgage that is combined with your monthly mortgage payment. If your down payment is 5 to 9.99% of the purchase price, you're going to be paying 4% of the mortgage amount in an insurance premium that is monthly. If your down payment is 10% to 14.99, the insurance premium is going to be 3.1% of the mortgage amount. If your down payment is 15% to 19.99, you're going to be paying 2.8% of the mortgage amount in insurance premiums. Of course, this is all subject to change, but at the time of this video, this is where the pricing points are at. Once you do get past that 20% down payment mark, that's when you do not pay the insurance premiums, and you also get to access a 30-year amortization versus a 25-year amortization. The benefits, you get 5 extra years to pay off your mortgage, your monthly payments are going to be less, so you qualify for a larger mortgage, and you're not paying monthly insurance premiums, so your monthly payment is lower on top of that. One thing that you need to make sure of, because down payment is obviously a part of your purchase, but you need to make sure that 100% of the cash you have available is not only going to the down payment, you will have closing costs. If you're not a first-time home buyer and you have to pay property transfer tax, that will be a large portion of it. You also have legal fees to pay to your lawyer or notary who's arranging the transaction. You may also have miscellaneous costs, such as property tax portion for the year that you're moving in. So if you buy a property on September 1st and the seller has paid property taxes for the entire year, you will need to pay back the seller for the 4 months that you're going to be living there in that year. Most lenders want to see 1.5% of the purchase price available for closing costs on top of your actual down payment. So I hope this video helps you to try and understand down payments. If you do have any other questions, like I said, please feel free to reach out to us. You can connect with us through our website, oakmortgage.ca, or you can send us an email at info@oakmortgage.ca. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to our channel so you can keep up to date with more videos. Thanks.